Yo, what's up YouTube? It's Triple P and I'm back for another video. What is this? What is this? What do we do with these things? Let's find out together. Alright guys, so this is what's going to be known as a travel bug, and this is your typical travel bug that you're going to find in a geocache. Most of them do have what's known as a dog tag travel bug, and you have a few different options that you can do when you discover or find a travel bug in a geocache. The first thing you can do is you can grab it and you can take it out of the container and you can keep it with you. You want to look at the back and you want to find the tracking code right here on the back of the travel bug. Now this is my own travel bug, so if you're watching this and you want to discover this travel bug, you can definitely do that. It's not meant to be kept at your house in a big suitcase or in a plastic bag. So if you do grab a travel bug, make sure that you log it on the website and make sure that you are responsible with your travel bugs and make sure that you are doing yourself due diligence by performing all these. Take a look at the geocaching.com website and let's walk you through how to log a trackable. Alright guys, so let's say that you have found your first travel bug and you're not sure what to do with it, and you get onto the geocaching.com website and this is what it looks like. So what should we do first? Let's go to login. You're going to type in your username. You're going to type in your password. And then from here you'll click on sign in. You can also sign in with Facebook if you want. Once that comes up, this will take you to the home screen. Click on play. And then on the word trackables. And then right here in this box, this is where you're going to type in that code that lets it search. So now you've got the travel bug page right here. I'm the owner of this travel bug. Let's see, its mission is to travel and see the world. One day I'll return back to my owner. Pretty simple. If you want to see what the map looks like, you can click on view map and it will show you it started in Cleveland, then it went to Cincinnati, and it's currently up in southern Michigan along with the Toledo, Ohio area. Pretty neat. Okay, so you want to click on add a log entry. You're going to select one of these from the options. Let's say you are just going to discover it. So you might say something like, I discovered this TV on a YouTube video. Thanks for sharing. And then you would just hit submit. You want to grab it from the current owner. You can say something like, I met the current holder of this travel bug at a meet and greet. They gave it back to me. And then you could hit submit. The last thing you can do as an option is write a note. That could be something like, I found this TV in a different cache than where it was listed. Super simple. Hit submit and the note will pop up. And just to do drop it off. In fact, real quick, let me show you how you could do something like that. So let's say I'm going to this cache right here, Kayaker's Delight on Lake of Action. I'm going to go to log geocache. I'm going to click on visit down here, and then I could just hit post and it will automatically log the miles for that specific travel bug. Alright guys, I appreciate you stopping by. I hope you learned a little bit about travel bugs.